Role Play 12, Discussion at Restaurant.
One day Faris could not have breakfast. He is very hungry and wants to have lunch in a restaurant. He just goes to his colleague and tells him to let him know the cheapest hotel so that he can have lunch. The discussion goes as follows.
Faris, Brother Habib, I am very hungry because I could not have breakfast in the morning.
Why did you not have breakfast?
Actually, today I got up late and I could not find time to have breakfast, as I was getting late for the office.
Then you must have lunch.
Yes, and I need it. Do one thing. Tell me about a good and cheap restaurant here.
Yes. From here, go to the post office. Besides the post office, you will find the cheapest and best hotel.
Okay, Brother Habib. Thank you.
No problem. Just go and have your meal.
Faris reaches the restaurant. The hotel man welcomes him, and the following discussion goes on.
Welcome, sir. Please come in.
Thank you.
What may I serve you, mister?
Yes. I have to eat lunch.
Okay, sir. Please take your seat here.
Yes, for sure.
Faris sits at the table and the waiter comes. The discussion goes as follows.
Hello, sir. What would you like to take?
Bring me the menu first and let me see what items you have.
Here is the menu, sir.
Thanks. Let me see.
Okay, sir, but hurry up a little bit.
Yes. Well, tell me why I cannot see meat in this list.
Sir, there are all things in it. Take another look carefully.
Do you have mutton korma?
Yes, sir. We always have this item because people like this most.
All right, then. Bring me mutton korma and also fish fry, but don't forget the sauce.
Okay, sir. Just wait for a while. I'll bring it now. Do you also want bread with korma?
Of course. How will I eat korma then? Bring the bread as well.
Here is your order, sir.
Thanks.
Waiter, would you take anything more, sir?
Yes. Bring a bottle of cold water, too.
Yes, sir. I will bring it now. Here it is, sir.
Thank you a lot.
No worries, sir. Do you need anything else, sir?
Yes. Can you bring sugar, lemon, and salt as well?
Sure, sir. I will just bring it. Please wait for a while.
Okay. Now I want to eat biryani. Can I find biryani here?
Yes, sir. You will find it here, but you have to wait for a little while.
Why?
It will take some time to be ready as we serve fresh food.
Well, that's good. Okay, I can wait, but please hurry up.
Yes, sir. Just wait a little bit. Here is your biryani, sir.
Thank you very much. Wouldn't you give me the spoon to eat it?
Why not, sir? I will just bring it.
Thanks. Waiter, come here.
Yes, sir. What happened?
See, this plate for biryani and spoon are not clean. Please return them and bring clean ones.
Sorry, sir. Just 1 second. I will just clean it.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now I have eaten my lunch. Now bring the towel.
Here it is, sir. Would you like some more things like dessert, etc.?
No thanks. Just bring the bill.
Here is your bill, sir.
Thank you so much. Please tell me if this bill includes your service amount as well.
No, sir.
Okay, then tell me how much should I pay?
Give as much as you like, sir.
Okay, this is for you. It is 500 INR.
Thank you so much, sir. How was our food, sir?
The food was very delicious and I enjoyed eating here a lot.
Thank you, sir. Please do come again.
Yes, sure. Inshallah.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.